Hello, ICEMSURF fans. This is Nick McFerrin, Surface Refinement Manager from the CATIA Design IPS team from Dassault Systèmes. I am delighted to be sharing with you some exciting news. We have just launched ICEMSURF Learning Edition. This is a version of ICEMSURF that is free for everyone to download and use to teach yourself ICEMSURF and to try out other parts of the software that you've not had access to before. I'm going to show you in a few moments how you can find the software and download it and run it, and also where you can find some useful tutorials and videos to get yourself started on your ICEMSURF journey. Okay, to get your hands on the software, just go to software.3ds.com, our download portal. You can log in or create your 3ds passport if you don't have one. You just need your email address, username, and your full name, and some other details with a password. You need to accept the terms and conditions, and you can agree to receive marketing information. Then this takes you to the download page where you can go to the free download tab, and there's ICEMSURF. You need to accept the agreement. And then you can see here's ICEMSURF Learning Edition, and you can click the little blue download button. So I'm going to download this to my download area. Fast forward a little bit, and it's here. And I have a zip file. If we open up the zip file and have a look inside in folder number 1, you'll see there's a read me first and what's new PDF. Very useful things to read if you've got some issues or you want to find out what's changed recently in ICEMSURF. Once you've scanned through those, you can then go directly to the setup.exe, so double click on that or open it. And here's the installer. So tick that you want to install it, go next and say that you do want your online manual. So this is very useful if you're a new user. And then here's the download path. The default is usually good enough for me. And say, yes, I'm going to install it. And fast forward a little bit and it's done. So once you leave the installer, minimize everything, you should have a new green ICEMSURF logo on your desktop. There it is, there's mine. So double click on that, here it is. And I'm going to load the fantastic DB car as my first ICEM model, and here it is. So it's exactly the same as ICEMSURF professional version. It is watermarked with limited import and export capability, but you can of course open and save your ICEM DBs as normal. Let me show you where you can find lots of useful information and ask questions about ICEMSURF. It's on the CATIA Creative Design and Styling community. It's go.3ds.com/design.styling. And here it is. So these are our 3D Experience communities. You log in with your 3ds passport like you did in the download portal, and it brings you here. So we've got an extensive wiki section in the community, broken down into all the different areas: creative design, product experience, and surface refinement. And here is surface refinement. Looking in the ICEMSURF section, you can see that we've got 4 sections here: tips and tricks, what's news, basic tutorials like this one here. So this is where you can go through the very, very basic first steps of ICEMSURF. And here we have the ICEMSURF Learning Project. This is a very simple little car modeling exercise that we've put in here for you, for new starters. So it doesn't tell you precisely what to do, it just gives you a broad overview of the steps required to make the model. Okay, and to help you learn, we've added 4 ICEM databases here in this zip file, the start and end positions, and also 2 intermediate steps. And every step from the project guide also has an accompanying video to really help you get through the steps and create your version of the city car. Coming back to the community now, I want to show you some of the other interesting things about it. So we can filter it for ideas and questions and posts. So here is where you can put in a question if you need any help with something or some advice. You can filter by posts, and you can also search for people. So you can search for people like me, Nick McFerrin, or any of my colleagues in the CATIA Design IPS team. So there you have it, ICEMSURF Learning Edition, free for anyone to download, no matter if you're a student or a hobbyist or just curious, and you can try all the different modules from ICEMSURF. Almost all of them are included in the Learning Edition, exactly the same as the professional version of the software. The support for it is through the Creative Design and Styling community, and you can also reach us through LinkedIn, our LinkedIn profiles and the LinkedIn ISOM community there. So I hope you like it. Please let us know what you think and enjoy your ICEMSURF journey.